devices that have never been hit by ransomware, that use nearly half the energy of traditional PCs, and stay secure with 10 years of automatic updates.
That's CTL Chromeboxes, powering hospitals, call centers, retail checkouts, government kiosks, warehouses, and more. In collaboration with the teams at CTL and Google, we've created the first ultimate guide to CTL Chromeboxes and ChromeOS, uniting powerhouse CTL hardware, the world's most secure operating system, and our hands-on expertise to help you build smarter, more resilient workspaces. As a trusted Chrome Enterprise partner, Cloudfresh turns that expertise into real business impact, helping you roll out devices faster, stay secure, and scale with confidence for years to come. Learn from real implementations, informed choices, and results that hold up. All in our ultimate guide, now available only at cloudfresh.com. Generate the real.